how to reach your goals in the new year with more ease. If I've never met you before, hello there, I'm Coach Alicia. I love to bring you simple and doable tips to help you dramatically boost your health and feel amazing. So I thought maybe we could do a little mini workshop on a way to achieve your goals with more ease. So what I want you to do is get a piece of paper and a pen. Go hit pause if you need to. Come on back to me and let's get started. The first thing you're gonna do is set a timer for 3 minutes. You're gonna take that piece of paper, you're gonna take your pen, and you're gonna write down all of the things you want to achieve in 2024. Don't filter yourself. Just write. If I could be anything, experience anything, have anything, what would it be? I want you to set a timer for 3 minutes, write that all down. Hit pause, go do that now, and then come back for the next step. All right, now, look at that list of everything you wrote. What is the one thing on that list that if you were to achieve right now would have the biggest positive impact in your life? And I know it's tempting to say, oh, I'm gonna work on this, and I'm gonna work on this, and I'm gonna work on this. But that gets overwhelming. I want you just to pick the one thing on that list you just wrote that will have the biggest impact on you right now, okay? Then I want you to circle that. Then what we're gonna do is make a plan. So for example, you can make a mind map. Let me explain, hold on, I'll explain what that means. So you're basically on the back of the paper you wrote on, in the very center of it, you're just gonna write what that goal is, the one goal you picked. Then start to think, what are all the things I need to do to make that goal in the middle happen? So you can start drawing branches almost, lines with boxes. I need to do this, I need to do this, I need to do this. All the steps that need to happen in order for you to achieve that one goal that's right in the middle of that page. Lastly, all those little steps that you wrote down that is gonna have to happen in order for you to achieve that goal, you're gonna schedule them. Because if it isn't scheduled, it isn't real. So using the example of weight loss, right? Because that's a big one in the new year. Say your goal is, I wanna lose 10 pounds. Okay, well, what are all the things you need to do in order to lose 10 pounds? I need to walk 5 days a week. I need to eat more vegetables. I need to eat more protein. I need to quit snacking so much. Whatever it is, you're gonna write them all down. Then you're gonna make a plan, right? To make those things happen so that you can achieve your goal. Once you've achieved this goal, then you're gonna go back to that list and pick the next thing. And you're just gonna keep on doing this over and over again. Trust me, one thing at a time, put all your heart and soul into it. It's gonna happen so much faster. Here we go, new year. Let's do this together. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye for now.